Good day, guys. Today we're going to install Maria DB. But before we are going to make installation of this, we need to download this program or application. And let's go straight to the deal. You can see on my screen there is a page of Maria DB download. And I'm going right now to check that I have Windows. I have architecture x86 underscore 64, and I'm going to check that this is going to be MSI package. This is probably the most important parts, and I'm clicking on download, and the downloads should go straight. I'm going to close this one. From my screen, currently the download file have been finished, and I'm ready to install this application on my local computer. I'm clicking on the program and looking and waiting when there will be reaction on my actions. Yes, as you see, I have a window. I'm clicking on the next. I'm accepting the terms and of license and clicking next. From this window and from this tab, we can see that everything should be by default. Database instance, clients, programs, backup utilities. My recommendation to check before you're going to proceed with the installation that on your disk should be free space, and the minimum should be 174 megabytes. If everything okay on this step, you are ready to click on the next button, and you can also input root password for this program will create user root, which will be valuable on every database for the future. I'm going to give a default password for my and 1211, and enable from remote machine. Yeah, I'm going to also to choose this checkbox, and also going to use UTF as default. Yes, and the next moment we need to check where you would like to install this application. By default, I see that it's going to be on the program files MariaDB data. It's fine. It's absolutely fine. I'm going to click next, and now I am choosing the service name. Let it be MariaDB, and TCP port of 3306. Also good point. And InnoDB engine settings. Let it be by default, and I'm going to click next and then install. Now you see that it's installing the program, and I just need to wait. For you it's going to be only 1 second or just 2 seconds. So the installation have been passed, and we have the installed MariaDB on our local machine. Let's check if everything works fine. Let's go to the our Windows applications, and I'm going to choose Maria DB. Let's see what will show to us. Okay, so it's I'm going to no. Okay, so we see that MariaDB installed the Mysql client, and also our application for convenient work, and the my.ini file. This is what we're looking for. Let's run this application, and let's see what will be. Okay, so it's giving us a window where we can create a session in a root folder or a new folder. Let's choose session new folder. Okay, and now we're going to click open, and access denied user. Okay, so we need to put password one. Okay, let's run once more. Okay, so it's working. We have everything installed that we would like, and hope this lesson was very helpful for you, and let's see each other in the next lesson. It's going to be related to our Maria DB database creation. So if you have questions, please leave them in the comments. Meantime, wish you everyone have a beautiful day, and let everything will work for you for the best. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye bye.